Hi, I'm Dr. Friedman, and I'm one of the dedicated joint replacement surgeons here at the Everett Clinic. In my 20s, I was working and also coaching a rowing program. During that time frame, I actually had sustained a knee injury or two and even had some orthopedic surgery. And it was after that that I started to recognize my interest in medicine. My background in medicine started at the University of Chicago, which is the Pritzger School of Medicine. I went on to the University of Ann Arbor for my surgical residency and then practiced in Washington State for the most part since that time. I joined the Everett Clinic in 2015. I have developed a niche for myself in anterior hip replacement. I think what's made me most passionate about continuing to practice in orthopedics is actually the advancements in some of the technology and techniques, and specifically moving towards anterior hip replacement, which can be less invasive and more precise, as well as the use of computer technology to improve knee replacements. I believe a patient would want to have me as a provider, in part due to the 10+ years experience I have performing joint replacement, but also because of the advanced techniques that I use that make their recovery just that much easier. I enjoy working for the Everett Clinic because the organization really is dedicated to patient care.